Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Ann C. Perenya from Philippines, 34 years old, married. I have 3 children, ages 14 years old boy, 10 years old girl, and a 9 months old baby girl. My work experience here in Philippines was I've been a nanny and a helper for 3 years here in Philippines. I serve one family with 2 adults and 2 children. My main duties was to take care of a baby girl aged 1 and 4 months old. I feed her, take her a bath, change her diaper, and put her to sleep. I also send and pick her older brother in school. I also do house cleaning, like mopping, washing dishes, washing dirty clothes, ironing, cooking simple foods, and marketing. Presently, I am a daycare teacher. I teach toddlers 2 to 5 years old. I teach them how to read and write letters and numbers, identify colors and shapes. I play with them in the center. I sing them nursery rhymes and I read them stories. To my future employer, I am loyal. I am patient. I am hardworking. I am willing to learn. And I follow instructions. I hope you will give me a chance to be part of your family and treat me like one of your family members. And I will take care of your family like mine too. Thank you and God bless.